Alright, since we didn't get a chance to talk about this in class, I want to help you see how you can algebraically show that two functions are inverses of one another. And essentially, to do that algebraically is a two-part process. Remember, inverses undo one another, so if we want to show that these two functions, f and g, are inverses, we need to first show that f of g of x gives us x, and then we also need to show that g of f of x gives us x. Basically, this is showing us that if I start with x, I apply the g function, and then I apply the f function to that the f function is going to undo what the g function did, and I'll get back my original x. Likewise, it shows me that if I apply the f function and then apply the g function, that the g is going to undo what the f did, and I'll get back to x. So it's literally just a composition or two compositions, and I know what my result should be. So if I take f of g of x, that's going to be f of g of x is going to be 3, and then in place of the x, I'm going to put the g function, and then I'm going to simplify. 3 times 1/3 x is just 1x. 3 times, sorry, I forgot my plus 5 here from up there. And then minus 3, so that's minus 5 plus 5. Those add up to 0, and so what I see is that f of g of x is equal to x. So in one direction it works. Now I go the other way. How about g of f of x? So now I'm going to take my g function, and in place of my input, I'm going to put the x function, which is my 3x plus 5. This time I won't forget to continue on. So now I've taken g of f of x, and now I need to simplify. So 1/3 times 3x is just x. 1/3 times 5 is positive 5/3. And then I have my minus 5/3. When I simplify that, I get the result that I want to see, that g of f of x is also equal to x. I have now shown algebraically that f and g are inverse functions of one another, because I've shown no matter which direction I go, that whatever one function does, the other undoes it. How would I see that they're not inverses? Well, if I tried to take f of g of x and I didn't get x, let's say I got x plus 2 or 3x minus 7 or whatever, then f and g are not inverse functions. So I hope that helps you with those questions in your homework, and we will do more practice with this tomorrow. Thanks for watching.